Hello friends, Namaskar. This is Dr. Avinash Deshpande. I welcome you to our channel Vastu Yash. Today, I am going to discuss with you about new Chinese year 2021. The Chinese year is going to begin on 12th of February. So it is not yet started, though we are in the somewhere end of January. Anyway, friends, Chinese year starts late or not as per the English calendar year क्योंकि दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन द लूनर कैलेंडर यानी चंद्रमा की जो मोशन है एज पर दैट द डे इट स्टार्ट्स एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वो आगे पीछे हो चल जाती है सो दैट इज वाई समटाइम्स चाइनीज ईयर may start at the end of the January, sometimes it starts in the beginning of the February, or maybe sometimes it is on the 4th of February, sometimes it is 20th of January, or maybe this year it is starting on the 12th of February. सो एनीवे जैसे कि आपने एक वीडियो में मैंने आपको पेश किया था कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स पीपल आर गोइंग टू फेस ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड वेदर कोरोना टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स विल गो और इट विल स्टिल रिमेन विद अस और any other health problem we are going to face. So today I am going to discuss with you about the what economy will be. जैसे कि आप जानते हो ऑलरेडी मैंने कुछ वीडियोस यूट्यूब पे डाले हैं एंड दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द स्टॉक मार्केट. See, इंडिया में तो स्टॉक मार्केट नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग सिंस आई एम इन इंडिया राइट नाउ सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट. NSE is या BSE particularly what you can say जो इंडेक्स है बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का so that is particularly crossing 50,000 marks. 50,000 एक हिस्टोरिकल अचीवमेंट इंडेक्स ने की and that is why economy is booming it seems actually. दो सब बिजनेसेस ये वो एक्चुअली चौपट हो गए बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ बिजनेस आर नाउ गेटिंग रिवाइव्ड बट स्टॉक मार्केट तो जोर से भाग रहा है सो लॉट बहुत सारे लोग उसमें इंटरेस्टेड है एंड एवरी डे आई सी दैट पीपल आर ज्वाइनिंग टू इट. हम लोग ने इसके ऊपर कुछ वीडियोस डाले थे राकेश झुंझुनवाला एंड हर्षद मेहता के बारे में. नाउ एक्चुअली आई विल बी पुटिंग यू हाउ विल बी द इकोनॉमी इन दिस पर्टिकुलर year 2021 which will be known as the in metal ox year. चाइनीज न्यूमरोलॉजी का एक विशेषता ये है बिकॉज ऑफ द इट इज बेस्ड ऑन द एलिमेंटल साइकिल एंड एलिमेंट साइकिल के हिसाब से देयर आर 5 एलिमेंट्स एज यू नो. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज द वाटर एलिमेंट, सेकंड इज द वुड, थर्ड वन इज फायर, फोर्थ वन इज अर्थ एंड फिफ्थ वन गोज एज अ metal. So these 5 elements, how they interact with each other, how they produced or the generation cycle works, how the controlling cycle works. If you grasp the ideas of it, which normally we teach in our seminars. So before proceeding further, I would like to tell you that a lot of demand is there for our seminars. Earlier we had taken few seminars. People really want to join it and because it is a live action. I always wish you to come and join the seminars when the hotels and other things open. So maybe in near future we'll have the live interaction. So let us wait for that. I'll put that announcement on the YouTube channel. Anyway, today we are going to see basically what the things will happen. This is a metal ox year. So इसमें क्या होता है? Let us try to understand. See on the one side of it I have shown you what is the elemental cycle basically and what type of businesses is going to give. See, metal element is there today. What this year is the metal ox year and in ox there are 3 hidden elements which is earth, metal and water. So basically it is the absence of fire. Fire element absence होने की वजह से क्या होगा तो let us try to understand which businesses are under these 5 elemental cycles. Particularly water element के अगर आप businesses जानते हो तो it is the basically the shipping or the transportation. That business comes under the or the even communication. That business is in the water. Another business which is the wood. Now wood industry is basically the fashion industry. Why it is a fashion industry? Because clothing, everything is related with the fashion, or even books, which is actually books कहाँ से बनते हैं? तो वनस्पति की हिसाब से बनते हैं, which is the part of the wood, and even the paper industry basically. So that is with the wood, media. These are all wood elements. Fire element. The wood gives the rise to the fire, and the fire element is nothing but the electrical power, or what we get electrical power generation, or the entertainment, because we do the bonfire and all, and then we enjoy this evening. So it is the fire industry, which is the entertainment industry, and other businesses. Earth is naturally the earth. In the earth, what we get is the real estate, then the mining, insurance, computer IT, and software. These are the businesses under earth element. And the metal industry is nothing but automobile, then engineering, then banking, and machinery comes under this. Now what we are going to see is actually कि अगर आप स्टॉक मार्केट में हो, या आप स्टॉक मार्केट में आप शेयर्स लेना चाहते हो या बेचना चाहते हो या उससे पैसा बनाना चाहते हो, तो विच इंडस्ट्री विल फ्लरिश दिस ईयर, ये हमको जानना है. एंड फॉर दैट व्हाट यू सी इज द बेसिकली वाटर इंडस्ट्री. चलो अभी हम लोग बिजनेस की नाम देते हैं. सी GE शिपिंग, और व्हाट यू सी अडानी पोर्ट, और द स्पाइस जेट, or the KC Tours and all, basically, or Cox and Kings. These are the tour companies which comes under the water element. Actually, ये लोगों का, these people will not have. Now you will say, अरे now actually the stocks are going up, so you will say that maybe they will do the good business. It is not so. Actually, they will not make the much business into it, because the water industry, wood is the creativity and fire is the wealth. Now, being the absence of the wood and fire industry, actually there will not be much of the business. Means what I mean to say is, जैसे हम लोग ने बताया, actually again the corona mutations are going to come. We have to face this. Unfortunate part is, though we are getting get rid of one corona type, but maybe other type of coronas which are not actually relieving us. though अभी कोविड शील्ड या देर मॉडर्ना या बाकी के जो स्पुटनिक एंड ऑल दोज एस्ट्राजेनेका, ऑल दिस कंपनीज हैव पुट अप देयर, उन्होंने उनका एक कुछ निकाला है वैक्सीनेशन, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट पीपल थिंक दैट दे विल बी ऑल राइट, बट इट विल नॉट बी. द सिचुएशन विल नॉट बी दैट फास्ट इट विल बी ऑल राइट. सो देयर विल बी द प्रॉब्लम इन एक्चुअली the business में हलचल बनाने के लिए, because the wood element is absent and fire is absent. Because of that, the industries such as transportation are not going to do much business. It is the fact. Which businesses are going to run is actually the real estate, because or infrastructure development and all. Because these are the companies, like companies dealing that in particularly India is the Godrej Properties, maybe HDFC Insurance or TCS and all this DLF and all these companies or IT companies, they are going to make the business, because for them the metal is the creativity, and for them the water which is there today, so that is going to be the wealth. So these industries, particularly the real estate and IT industry, is going to boom. So if you are interested in buying the stock of say TCS or maybe the Tech Mahindra and other companies which are Infosys, then that is going to give you the good amount of wealth. Another thing which is going to boom is the Tata Power, maybe the Adani Power, or maybe ABB Power. Basically the Bajaj Electrical, the ABB, all these who are into the generation of the energy, or fire businesses. Because for fire industry, the metal is nothing but the wealth, and water is nothing but the power. So these industries will be going to be powerful this year. So what I was telling you, that wood industry again will not do particularly two industries are not going to work on a greater extent. One is the fashion industry, or what we can say Z Entertainment or JK Paper, or maybe PVR Cinemas and all, or the fashion, Aditya Birla, all those type of Trent, that is a brand of Tata Group. So this type of basically the industries related with the wood are not going to run much. The industries are going to run the businesses to the great extent is the fire and earth element. So if you wish to buy the stocks of those companies, then you can of course make the money in this year. So naturally, if you are interested in getting a deep knowledge of this subject, then you can take the personalized consultation from me. We are available on YouTube, as well as for the personal consultation. You can write it to us on vastuyash1992@gmail.com, or you can write it to avinash.deshpande@gmail.com. So thank you very much for watching this channel. अगले एपिसोड में हमारे इन नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सी हाउ दिस ईयर द एनर्जीज इन योर ऑफिस और in your residence is going to change, and what effects, good or bad, it is going to give to you. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.